time for it. Right back on my grind for it. It's a different time zone. I don't got no time for it. I just want a phantom. I don't care you handsome. He just like the last one. You just wanna have.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Kilo Key here, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are dyeing our fucking hair red. We're dyeing our hair red. It's fall. It's fall. It's a new season. I'm feeling different, feeling new. So I need something new done to my hair. My hair is actually very, very thick, as you can tell. It's very, very thick. It's just very, very thick. I know it looks a little sparse around the ends because of my backdrop. My backdrop is sequin. I'm gonna have to get a new backdrop. I want like a solid color backdrop. So I am going to get a new backdrop, but never mind that. We are going to be dyeing our hair fucking red with the Loreal Techniques Hicolor highlights. This is in the color red. It says it's for dark hair only. It's one step high lift. I know I am late to the party because people have been using this for years, but I didn't want to bleach my hair because my hair is just I gotta get her up to standard. I didn't want to bleach my hair, and I really did my research, and everyone says that this is a safer way to dye your hair. So I'm gonna do it with red. Every time I see somebody do it on their YouTube, their hair comes out really red, and I want my hair to be really red. Instructions side: wear suitable disposable gloves. Let me look at my gloves. Gloves. Get your fucking gloves. So we have our suitable disposable gloves. We are going to use 30 volume developer. Let's see, if you have relaxed hair, use 20. I'm not relaxed. We're gonna add the whole contents of the Hicolors to a mixing bowl, and we're gonna mix it with our developer until it is smooth and creamy. You want to apply it to, you always want to apply hair color to dry, unwashed hair immediately after mixing. All right, bet. Have my shower caps. I couldn't think of the name. My shower caps after. What I'm going to do is separate my hair into sections. So let's see, just gonna separate my hair into sections like it says. Really, I'm not being precise. I just needed to get that middle part. So I'm just gonna go all the way down, and then I'm gonna go over. And y'all, I did brush out my hair so I have minimal tangling, but again, my hair is so thick. That's just that. So I have my hair into sections. I'm about to put them up. All right, what they say first, what I've seen people do on their YouTube, is they put Vaseline, good old Vaseline, on the perimeter of their forehead. So let's get into that. Oh God, no. God, not my hair. I don't need it in my hair, just my, see, I'm doing the most already. Already doing the most. I need to kind of wipe that out of my hairline. Good God Almighty. I need help. What I'm going to do is empty the contents into a mixing bowl. You can use any type of bowl, Tupperware bowl, mixing bowl, super bowl, whatever you have, you can use it. So let's see what's in the pack. Nothing is in the pack except for the contents. Throw that away. And I do have 2 of them. I don't know how many I'm gonna need, so let's see. See what the bottle says. Is this the color red? Doesn't say anything. All right, let me put on my gloves. Okay. I'm excited though. I'm excited for a new hair color. I haven't dyed my hair in years. I've probably dyed my hair since I was a sophomore in high school, and I'm a college graduate. So I haven't dyed my hair in years. It's been 2 years since I've been natural. It's 2 years since I've been natural because I cut and permed my hair about 2 years ago. So I'm just gonna end this. Gotta be careful. I'm just gonna take my brush and open the contents. And I am just going to empty all of the contents out. So, yeah. And then I'm going to keep stirring and adding developer until it's super creamy. Just keep adding until it's creamy. So, alright, so this looks creamy. This looks very smooth and creamy. And I'm just going to start applying it to my hair. So, whew, let's go. I'm going to try it in small sections. And I'm just going to get from root to tip. Make sure everything is colored and covered. And I'm going to use my hands. Because why not? See, look, got stuff in my ear all freaking ready. And I'm just gonna make sure my hair is saturated. Okay. Curls low key. Getting seen. Okay, curls. Definition. Loreal, let me find out. Hold on, bitch. My eyes started to water. Needed to open the door. Got fans on and still need some ventilation. But yeah, I'm just saturating this in my hair. We're getting it in. And I'm gonna be going back and adding more. But I just want to make sure the sections that I do have are nice and covered. I'm what? Come on, definition. And again, you really do want to saturate your hair with this stuff, which is why I bought 2 of them. So you might want to buy 2. So I'm gonna take the other one and do the same thing. So gonna take my first cap, put it on. Then I'm gonna take the second cap and put it on. And now I'm going to go clean up where I have stuff at, okay? So IDK, I got my big ass iPad. Excuse my mirror. But I just wanted to show y'all some progress. I know y'all can't really see. But hold on. Let's see. So this is what my hair is looking like currently. It's almost been really an hour. And I'm just keeping it on till it's my desired color. So that's what we're looking like. I'm going to keep this on for about 30 more minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out with cold water. This is where we're at currently. Not bald. So that's great. I don't have edges like that. So don't fret. This is not making my hair come out. A bitch just don't got edges. So yeah, I'll see you when my hair is washed out.
So this is what my hair looks like after I washed it out and gave it a nice deep condition. It's way brighter than this when you get in the sunlight, but I'm in love with this color. Make sure you go to my beauty Instagram _KiloKey to see how this came out. I'm gonna thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.